Hello, this is Sergey from ProperSoft, and in this video I will show you how to preview an IIF file. So IIF files are QuickBooks import files, or better to say, Intuit interchange file. So what they use for, they use to import data into QuickBooks, and usually they are associated with QuickBooks. What it means associated, it means if you double click the file, then QuickBooks will open and start importing this file. And sometimes you don't want that. Sometimes you want to just see what's inside the file before you import it. And so this is what this video is about. So let's say we want to preview the file in Excel. IIF files, they are text files that are tab separated. So they basically can be opened in Notepad or other text editor or Excel or any other spreadsheet software. So for this video, we will just open it in Excel. But if I just double click the file, that would be not good to preview it. Instead, I want to open it with Excel instead of open it with QuickBooks. Before I open it with Excel, I would like to know where my Excel is. You will see later why I need that. And so let's say I have shortcut here or shortcut here. I do right click and then I go to properties and then I look at where the Excel is. So it's in C, Program Files, Microsoft Office, Root, Office 16. So in your case, it could be something slightly different. So as long as you can keep it open and just you have to navigate, you will have to navigate to that location to find that excel.exe file. So let's do that. So we do right click on the IIF file. Then we go to open with, and then here's you have Notepad. So if you want to open it in Notepad, you can kind of already see what's going on. And if it's enough for you, then you're done. But many people like to have Excel option. So let's say, so instead of this doing again, right click, open with, choose another app. And then if you have here Excel in the list, then you are lucky, you just select it and you're done. If you do not have it, then you have to go here, choose app on your PC. So once you do it one time, it will show up here, but you have to do it at least once if you don't have it listed here. So we click choose app on your PC. Then we have to go to that path I mentioned earlier, which is C, Program Files, Microsoft Office, Root, Office 16. So let's go here. So we have already Program Files. Then we go Microsoft Office, Root, Office 16. Again, on your computer, it could be a little different, slightly different, could be the same. And you just follow past it is on your computer. And now we just here Excel. We select it and then click open. And now it's on our list of apps that can open this IIF file. And then we just say, if we say always, then what happens when you double click this IIF files from now on, then they will open in Excel, not in QuickBooks, which is also a good option. I think when you start QuickBooks, you should import it only through like file, utilities, import IIF file, not double clicking the IIF file. So I would do for myself, I would say always open Excel. So now this is will be treated as Excel file. Again, this is for preview only. You cannot save it back to IIF because Excel doesn't know how to do that. It knows how to open, but not how to close it, how to save it again. So this is only for preview. There is another video I show how to work with IIF files in Excel and then create IIF file, but not directly like this. Again, anyway, this example shows how to preview IIF files, how to associate the IIF files with Excel. So now you see this is Excel icon. So if I this save, so if I double click that file, then Excel, and also double clicking what it means or associated with that file format, what it means is that if other app, let's say proper convert app that we offer, it can create IIF files, and when you say to proper convert app, open this file, it will call the app associated with the IIF file. So if QuickBooks associated, QuickBooks will be called. If Excel associated, then Excel will be called. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.